Hey teachers and kids, are you ready for the letter O? It makes the sound ah, ah, ah. Shall we sing it?
Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh.
Now here are some words that begin with the ah sound. Ah, ah, ostrich. Ah, ah, off. Ah, ah, oblong. Ah, ah, octopus. Ah, ah, oven. Now it's time for you to work and you know what to do. You're supposed to spot the ah in the words that follow. Ready? Okay. Goose. Spoon. Cornucopia. Overcome. Outdoors. Oyster. Okay, now it's time to call in our red solid line, blue solid line, and green broken line. So, ah is very easy to make. We just make a circle. Okay, so we go from the pink or the red broken line, we go round all the way to the blue solid line and back up again to the red broken line. One more time. We go round up and make a circle. Round again up to make a circle. Okay, let's do it two more times. Please say it with me. We go round up to make a circle and round up to make a circle. Well done. Okay, so this is where we finish our class today. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Sharing is caring. Bye, everyone.